Hello, my name is Nardo Agron, and I'm going to be your math teacher today. Today's lessons is going to be about negative numbers again, but how to multiply and divide them. So we're going to write down some rules before we start, so you can understand all the details about how to do this. Okay, rule number 1. Negative times negative is positive. Rule number 2, negative times positive is negative. So that means negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Negative 4 times negative 2 is just 8. This is all you have to understand about this thing. So this one goes here, this one goes here. So maybe I should write it down in letters so you can understand. Negative times negative equal positive, and negative times positive is negative. It doesn't matter if the positive is here or the negative is here. If you change the spot, the answer is going to be the same. So this is all you have to know in order to solve all of these things. As long as you see a negative number times another negative number, the answer is going to be positive. If you see a positive number times a negative number, or a negative number times a positive number, either way, if you change the places, it doesn't matter. The answer is going to be negative. So negative times positive is negative. Positive times negative is negative. But negative times negative is positive. So you can just pause the video and just write it down. So that's up to you. But this is all you have to understand about this thing. If you know these two, so you see, these are the rules you have to follow, and these are the examples. You see, positive times positive is positive, just like 3 times 2 equals 6. Here you see negative times positive is negative. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Here you see positive times negative is negative, of course. 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6. And negative times negative equals positive. Negative 3 times negative 2 equals 6, positive. So if you keep all these rules in mind, write them down if you want to. This is how you solve all these problems. It's just simple. It doesn't matter with what number, as long as you follow these rules, you can solve them. That's it. So those previous examples were multiplication, and these are division. So for division, it's just like multiplication. You see positive over positive is positive, just like 10 over 5 equals 2. Negative over positive is negative. Negative 10 over 5 is negative 2. Positive over negative is negative. 10 over negative 5 is negative 2. And negative over negative is positive. Negative 10 over negative 5 is just 2 and not negative 2. So you have to keep, this is very important, this one, because you might think, oh, it's going to be negative 2 because negative over negative, but it's positive. So keep an eye on this one. But the rest, you can tell that what the answer is going to be because of you see positive over negative, probably it's going to be negative. So all you have to do is write these down, practice them. You can write your own numbers, practice them, and you'll see you're gonna get hold of it. So it's not difficult. You just keep these rules in mind, and then you'll see you'll come up with the answer.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you like the video.